how many integral values n takes such that 8, 15, n forms the sides of an obtuse angled triangle. In my previous video, I discussed how to find the integral values for n if it is an acute angle triangle. Today I will discuss how to find the integral values for n if it is an obtuse angle triangle. For all the viewers, obtuse angle triangle is a triangle where one angle is greater than 90 degrees. In a triangle, maximum number of acute angles will be 3. In a triangle, maximum number of obtuse angles will be 1. Now, again the 3 steps like the previous video. Step number 1, we will find out the range of the third side by using a condition that the third side will always lies between difference between two sides and sum of two sides. 8, 15, n. So 15 minus 8 less than n less than 15 plus n. 8. That means 7 less than n less than 23. So n will take 8, 9, 10 till 22 for it to form a triangle. Now, but we don't want only a triangle. The question is based on an obtuse angle triangle. Step number 2. We will consider n as the largest side. Step number 3, we will consider n as not the largest side. Step number 2, if n is the largest side, first assume the triangle to be a right angle triangle, then make it greater than 90 degrees. Now let me take right angle triangle. 8, 15, n. n is the hypotenuse, 8 is the height, 15 is the base. Apply Pythagorean triplet. n square equivalent to 8 square plus 15 square. So n square equivalent to 64 plus 225. n square equivalent to 289. n will become 17. Now listen carefully. The right angle triangle is like this. 8, 15, hypotenuse is 17, but we want the triangle to be an obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means theta is greater than 90. If it is greater than 90, height will be 8 like this. It goes to the left side. Now if it goes to the left side, the hypotenuse value will increase. That means for it to form an obtuse angle triangle, n has to be greater than 17. I hope you are all with me. Just visualize the diagram, you will be able to understand it clearly. Step number 3. What if n is not the largest side? Make n to be a height. If I take n to be height, n is the height, call 8 as the base, 15 as the hypotenuse. First let us take a right angle triangle, then make the angle greater than 90. So if I use the Pythagorean theorem, n square plus 8 square equivalent to 15 square, n square plus 64 equivalent to 220. n square equivalent to 161. n is nothing but 12 point something. What is n here? n is the height. Now think logically. Angle should be greater than 90. That means this height will go to the left side. If height will go to the left side, hypotenuse value will increase. If hypotenuse value will increase, height value will decrease. That means what is the value that we got? n equivalent to 12 point something we got. That means n should be less than 12. Now let us combine step 1, step 2, step 3 to get the answer for n. What is step number 1? 7 less than n less than 23. What is step number 2? Step number 2, n is greater than 17. What is step number 3? n is less than 12. n should be less than 12. 7 less than n less than 23. n should be less than 12 means n will take 8, 9, 10, 11. Right. And what is the next condition? n should be greater than 17. If it is 17, what is the answer? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I hope it is very, very clear, right? Now, for an acute angle triangle, make theta less than 90 degrees. For an obtuse angle triangle, make theta greater than 90 degrees. Now, a viewer who has watched all my 3 videos right from forming the sides of a triangle to an acute angle triangle to an obtuse angle triangle, he or she will get it out. What if the question is a right angle triangle? That will be my next video. Keep watching ANC YouTube channel to solve aptitude problems faster than a calculator or without using a pen. Thanks a lot.